What you got going on up in that kitchen, Roach? You got some collard greens, some black eyed peas, fried chicken, pasta, some Italian food, some Mexican food, some Jamaican food. You got some barbecue going on.
So good. What you cooking, Roach?
What you cooking, Roach?
And action. Alright, y'all. So, y'all already know the salsa verde is not gonna cook itself. Alright? So, let's start off by, I have these glorious vegetables here. Aren't these a beautiful thing here, right? We got our tamales. We're gonna peel this shell off. We're gonna be roasting them. I got about 8 of those, alright? We got our white onion. We got our lime. We're gonna roast this also in the oven as well. And we got that serrano peppers. Now this is the pepper you want if you wanted to have a little bit of spice. Alright? Okay? Got that. Now, this is the key over here. It's that little baby romaine right here, y'all. This is what's gonna give it that bam factor, alright? And this is what's gonna give it that crispiness. Alright? So, one more for you, y'all. This little spicy little stuff right here. Give it a little more spice, alright? So, let's get started. Okay. So, you see how we got that? Alright. Now when I finish with this here, it's gonna be, we're gonna put these in the broiler, in the oven, and broil them, okay? Some of it can be a little tricky. You see what I'm saying there? See how that can be a little tricky? But it's okay, we're just gonna move on to the next one. Alright, see how, but that's a little easier. Alright, you wanna kinda get them when they opened up. Alright? So you see what we're doing now. Just gonna get those a nice peeling. Okay? I know it look like I'm making a mess, but it's okay. Alright? You see what we're doing there? Just gonna peel that off. A little hard, you know. It's not anything that takes a little effort is worthwhile. It's gonna be awesome. Alright? Take that out like that. Now, you don't need to rinse these off, okay? This is what I've been told. Okay? By my master class chef. Alright? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to roast everything into this pan here in the oven, alright? So I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in my little pan here, okay? Let's grease it up. And later on, I'm going to be using that to be cooking my steaks in. You dig? Alright, so, bust it. Now, we're just going to put this, like I said, into this pan, just like so. Just like so, alright? We're going to put all these cloves in there, just like that. We're going to leave the skin, leave all that in there. Our cilantro peppers, now like I said, depends on how hot you want your joints. My shit gonna be hot. Put them in there like that, alright? Keep it on there. We're gonna cut it off at the end, alright? There go that secret. Alright? Bang! We'll put that in the oven and let that broil until they soften, okay? So I'm gonna turn these over a little bit like that. I like to turn them over. I'm gonna flip them over a little bit. See how we got that? Alright? You dig? Alright, y'all. We're gonna get these in the oven and let it cook. Let's go. Y'all already know this ain't gonna cook itself. So, we gonna got our stuff together. Our peppers have been roasted. You see that right there? Alright, so we good to go on that. Now we're going to put these onions and all this shit into work, alright? And this avocado. So, let's get the avocado done. Now, this is, you want to get it nice and firm. With the avocados is a little tricky. You want to make sure that, see how you're able to push into that? I don't know if you can see that. See how you push into that? That means it's ready, okay? So now y'all done made me figure out where I cut at. But we're going to do this here like this, alright? Okay? Let's start with that first, alright? Yes! See? Perfect. Alright. Now, I don't even got to even. Well, maybe I do. Let's get started. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here comes the process. This is the fun part. Y'all. So, start putting these inside this. See how beautiful those things look? Now, remember I told y'all about them garlic, how it's going to cook, and you're going to be able to just peel peel all that off. See how we doing that? Look at them oils. Ooh. Oh man, y'all just don't know. If you roast your garlic, I'm telling you, you know, beautiful oils. I'm gonna use these oils. Y'all have no idea to make my steak sandwiches, alright? So, see what we doing there? Some of you ain't even got to even take off. You know what I'm saying? Word is a bird. Word is a bird. Look at that, y'all. Y'all see how beautiful that is? If you can only smell that. Alright, remember them peppers I told y'all about? Just gonna break that off. You see what I'm saying? Remember them peppers? We ain't even taking them seeds out. We're gonna keep them seeds up in there. We're keeping them seeds up in there, y'all. Oh! Lost one. Lost one. Right. Right. So we're gonna blend. Getting good already, y'all. So we're gonna keep on about later. We're gonna use that whole one. Alright. About later. I'll add in the rest of the cilantro. Alright. Let's do that one. Alright, see that? Add in the rest of that. Kind of see where it's at, alright? You want to do that. Alright? You want to tap that? Okay. Oh, it's hot as hell. Alright. We're going to look that up though. We're going to add in the rest of avocado. We need a little more. I don't know what's up with this line. This is jackass line. We worry about it. We're going to work that out. Alright? Now, another thing is, you want to add salt. Just a little at a time. A little. Because you can overpower it and you don't want to overpower it. So start out just with a little. I'm going to add in a little bit more of that. And a little bit more of that. Now, that secret ingredient, we'll give it that. Bang! That's it. You think I'm kicking, alright? I'm just going to tell you, alright? There we go. Let's rock and roll. Let's do this. Blend! Turn it down a little bit low. Alright, y'all. This homemade salsa verde is ready. You already see what that top is looking like. We're gonna put that on the side. Get my spoon over here. Word. And mix it up just a little bit so you can see. See, this is what you want. Make your own shit, alright? Make your own shit. You ain't gotta worry about nobody talking that bullshit about oil man and all that bullshit. Alright, look at that. Ooh. Just wanna make sure y'all see that. Right? So we're gonna put it to the side. We'll pour this leprechaun genius in here. Alright? Like so. Alright? Put that to the side. And I got another one. Alright? This is how I make my salsa. This is how I do my Taco Tuesday. Perfect. See what I'm saying? Get you 2 little 12-ounce cans, 8 tamales or 9, and it's perfect. Hold on. I holla. We ain't losing none of this goodness. Oh, we clean up, but we ain't losing none of this goodness here. Alright, y'all? Now, if y'all don't know, alright, I'm gonna get these tops cleaned off. There y'all have it. Alright, get that top put on there. Put that over to the side there. See what we doing now? Now what I do is, because you know there, right, y'all? Just want to get a nice little It's gonna pop there for a minute. You're gonna shake it up, put the heat up in there, push it down. Alright? Y'all, that's how I make my salsa. If you need me to make a salsa for you, $5 a jar. $5 a jar. Wanna mix it up? Smack it up. Make sure it ain't popping. There y'all have it. Roach's salsa verde. Alright, y'all. So, till then, what you gonna do?